Alright, go ahead. Oh, awesome.
Boom!
Alright. Well, he might make them this time. Wow! Awesome. Whoa, 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 ragdoll. Here we are. Turned out to be a really beautiful day out here. Yeah. 5 riders today. Here we are. This is a really old trail that personally I love this trail. This is an old Jeep road that they used, I guess, right after Pearl Harbor got bombed. I'm not really sure why they built this road, but this is I'm 99% sure it was a military road. But it's really something phenomenal that they had built this road. And I guess he's gonna make me lead. But back in the days in the 70s, this thing was immaculate. But now, you know, with rain and everything else, it is turned into this washout. But that's why we ride, right? We like washouts. We like the challenge. That's why we ride. But when I was younger, I remember when we used to come down this thing, we had made a bypass and it went straight down. Now it kind of follows the original way it was when it was first made back in the 40s. I'm sure it's got to be 40s. I think 44 or something around there. It's just amazing that it's still around for us to enjoy. It's like all other public lands, you know. Eventually people gotta screw it up, like the drones. Now we gotta register our drones because people don't know how to be responsible. But I'm gonna keep it on a positive note. I don't want to talk negative about anything or anyone. Okay, well, y'all have a great day. I'll see you in a little while.